Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson Supersonic. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson Supersonic keeps losing power while in use, you are not alone. This symptom usually indicates an issue with the internal wiring or the power connection. If left untreated, it could lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device, which might be costly to repair. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement cable. Ensure you have a clean workspace and some patience as you proceed with the repair. First, to open your Dyson Supersonic safely, start by removing the screws from the base using the Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle and keep the screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, carefully pry apart the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, locate the faulty component, which is usually the power connector. It can sometimes be hidden under other parts, so take your time to find it. Once located, gently disconnect it by pulling it out, but ensure you remember how it was connected for reassembly later. After removing the faulty connector, take your replacement cable and connect it to the correct terminals on the device. Make sure the connection is secure, but don't apply excessive force, as this could damage the new cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before closing the device, double-check all connections and ensure that no cables are pinched or improperly placed. Carefully press the casing back together, ensuring all clips are aligned and the screws can be easily reinserted. Once everything is back in place, use the Phillips screwdriver to reattach the screws securely. Finally, plug in your Dyson Supersonic and test it to ensure it works correctly without any power interruptions. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, avoid pulling on the cable when unplugging the device, and check for any signs of wear regularly. Store your Dyson Supersonic in a safe place where the cable won't get kinked or damaged. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.